Look what I found on the ground. Pine knots. Gonna have to start us a pile. Gonna have to start us a pile right here because I'm just starting my hike and I'm not gonna carry these with me. So there's my pile. A few more laying around. I'll get them when I come back through. I hear a red-bellied woodpecker. Definitely not my Jake. You guys remember this place, don't you? Won't be long, this one's gonna fall over too. Don't tell anyone, but I've seen Morels in here before. Shh. I see one. Just like that. Boom, baby. First I gotta throw my Fatwood down. This chunk is so awesome. Listen how dense it is. Like a rock. Ha! Hopefully that mushroom didn't pop back into the ground. See it yet? What about now? See it yet? Nice blonde morel. So far it looks like that's the only one. He doesn't seem to have any friends. And he's growing almost the same way the last one did. Flashback. Hey, there's one. See it? How about now? That one's dried up. Ew, nasty. One I picked before right here did the same thing. Check it out, I made it down to the swamp. I've got a rose-breasted grosbeak in here somewhere. Come on, sing again. There you are. Sing me a song. Tweet it, tweet it, tweet it, tweet it. Oh, you're gonna sing quiet now. No, he sings. Fatwood. Appears to be jack pine. Sweet. Now them some wicked pine knots. All Fatwood. I found one. I can't leave that one. That one's too perfect. Man, feels solid too. I could just load up back here. You know, as I've been walking through here and stepping on these hard things, I find out that they're pine knots too. Feels like a pine knot. There you go. If you're walking through a forest that's got pines and you find yourself standing on something that's not a rock, it's probably a pine knot. There's one right there. See? Pine knot. Pew pew. Those are some nice knots. Damn, I thought that was a big old shroom. It was just a damn leaf.
Came just in time.
Came just in time. What'd you bring with you?
A lot of candle jars.
All right, you got candle jars for me? Sweet, nice bag. Let's make sure this is zoomed in just right.
Got move.
Just like that. Here's a nice red stick.
Oh yeah. What is that one's cool?
What does that one look like?
I don't know, but it looks like a sword. Shakespeare.
Let me see it. Yeah, that's a really long one too, isn't
I
it?
like